Dr. May please have Hershine from Deep Love to our stage?
Hello everyone, this is a spokesman from the D-Lab. It's very honored to let me introduce Shenzhen D-Lab Biological Company. Let's start it. This is our culture, our vision to become a world-class fragrance technology service provider. I would like to introduce our logo. The D-Lab's logo is designed in the true concept. The shape of square is the seed of the plant. D-Lab's one of the features is the planting extract. So it means we adhere to source of life, nature, and health. The love inside represents D-Lab cares your health and your family. D-Lab established in the 2026. From the 2022, we moved to the Songgang area. 2022 to the 2027, our revenue is double. And 2025, we'll expand our factory to the 4,000 square meters. This is our business carnival. You can see our important partner is upstream and the downstream. Upstream is from the device technology factory, and we can have the encourage technology device to use research and develop to build the e-juice more adaptability. And the downstream is about the fragrance supplier, because we can join device the unique flavor for the e-juice. And you can see our three main product is about the barrel e-juice, bottle e-juice, and the concentrates e-juice. Currently, our barrel e-juice, we can ship it more than 14 times every month. And the bottle e-juice, we're monthly shipping over the 1 million. You can see we have a client relationship to our customer, because we can introduce our clients about to build the marketing networks. And then the device we can consult, we have as a device consultant. We can cooperate with our customer to debug and develop. This is our product advance. We can research the national policy, and we can make sure our e-juice to compliance the regionals and the regulation. This is our partner for every country. You can see our major customer is about the North American, UK, and Europe. Currently, our UK and Europe partners over 14% account for our total revenue. And the next is about Russia. The Russia is count for 20% of our total revenue. And the other major marketing about the Southeast Asia and the Middle East. This one of our tobacco extract is our major product. You can see we have 5 different tobacco products. For example, the shisha and the food tobacco, Chinese standard tobacco, overseas tobacco, and the cigarette tobacco. Our technology is we can do currently the traditional tobacco extract and can treat a special process. So remove the sugar and the molecule and the large proportion of the e-juice and add to the more than 500 miles without carbon deposit. You can see this in our tobacco and the shisha. For the tobacco, we always can do the traditional and the modification. So this is the most popular tobacco flavor, and this one is about the shisha flavor. For the shisha flavor, they like the traditional tasting, so we can build the traditional tasting for each country. But besides, sometimes they will love some very special and unique flavor. And this one is our one of the special product. It's natural plant flavor extract. Natural plant flavor just for the e-juice flavor, because we can extract the full flavor from the plant. It can make taste more natural and the marketing acceptable. For example, sweet orange, lemon, and the grapefruit. And this one is natural planning function extract. The planning function, it means we can extract the benefit for the health and combine with the China traditional medicine. So, for example, cinnamon and ginseng, etc. And this is our product type. Currently, we have over 80,000 recipe accumulation. And we can separate about the color and the sweetener and the sour for the different country. Take apple as example. We have over 2,000 natural recipe for the apple. And sometimes for some region, the apple tastes more sour, some apple tastes more sweet. We can build a different one. This is our product type aroma. You can see we have 18 category and 2,000 clarification for the single food flavor, and about the creative food branding over the 20,000 recipe. And for the food, sometimes we can build some foods tasting over the 200 types. If from the different country, and the most popular the food, the beverage and some tasting. And we have we will build some performance adoption for the special device. Currently, we have over 14,000 recipe and over 500 devices. This is our material systems. We have 8 different systems for the raw material. Nicotine, color, sweet agent, AC, solvent, tobacco, single semi-finished product, and the natural extract. We do the raw material system. You can see we have 15 aroma and 1,000 and 1,500 flavor. And this is our carbon disposal research. For each raw material, we will inject to the device to research the adaptability. And this is our experimental device. You can see we have over 8 different physical and chemical experimental methods. This, you can see this about sometimes we do some planning extract from the food or something else, and we will compare to the marketing product to make sure the extract is what we want. This is a product we use all the recyclable material from the packaging to the e-juice. And we show off in the environmental exhibition. It makes an effort. And this is our anti-rhinitis research. Currently, one of our Korean customers really like this research, and all these products add this planning extract. The higher the planning extract, we can add to more than the 23.7%. Our supply chain management, we have over 6,000 raw material in our storehouse, and each raw material, our safety store is over the 100 kilometers length. Currently, we have an ERP assistant. We can do the 48 hours to complete the supply chain delivery material. And we would like to join the review to our supplier, and technology will involve to the audit for all our supplier. And besides, for each raw material, we'll ask supplier to provide the strict quality testing report This is all our partner. With all the partner, we will work with them with about some major flavor in the marketing and which one the popular raw material. And this is our product assurance. Because for the e-juice, the most important thing is about the error prevention. So currently, we have a different management system to prevent the error from the delivery. First, for example, we will use the human and the system to compare to make the horizontal and the vertical management policy to make sure there's no errors. And this all our detective equipment. We have over 20 detective equipment to make sure all the product is met the customer's need. For example, for some special region, Europe and American, etc. And this is, we have a million GMP workshop. We have a self-developed math system. It can make sure to from the warehouse to the workshop, and we can check the systems one by one, and there are no errors. Each raw material can be tracing the batch. You can see this is our production equipment. Currently, we can deliver 2 tons per hour. This is our tallest production. And besides, for the humans, we have a TMB, the management system, to make sure everyone to follow the error and to make sure it will be correct and it can improve. Okay, for the last, here I want to define the classical and draw a new scholar in the future to ignite the painting life by the dealer. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much for your sharing.